Hey, what's going on? What's going on, guys? What's going on? Street Trading here with our weekly recap video. Let's get into the let's get into the shit show we saw last week. Obviously, the week was full of volatility, as most had expected. We obviously looked into the beginning of the week, expecting, pretty much an extreme amount of selling pressure, and we got just that. And point being, heading into obviously the last week of October. On top of that, the election, which is obviously on the 3rd. On top of that, the recycled stimulus headlines, which obviously completely disappeared. Interestingly enough, it's completely disappeared last week, and for obvious reasons. It was just complete bullshit, to be honest. Thing is, probably will happen, just maybe won't happen till obviously after the election now. But that being said, they played the market pretty well. Those that kind of fell and kind of trade off of that kind of stuff just got their asses handed to them. That's why you got to remain focus on your edge, and completely eliminate outside noise, because all that was just pure noise, and it's easy to fall into that trap if you don't have a crystal clear process that you follow every single time. Because if you leave the door open just a little bit, it'll seep in and start to fuck with you, right? And obviously that's what happened last week in the markets. Selling pressure was heavy. Bears took advantage. Short sellers stepped in and just ate up everything. And it was a great week to the downside, right? Great week to the downside. SPY, we're looking at a 15-minute chart here. There's still obviously that 320 is a magnet, right? It bounced, obviously right at that 322, so we're pretty close. Whether it's going to see this reversal or not, who's to say? But the key point is, obviously, election is still one more day away. So Monday session's probably, it's going to be kind of a coin toss at the end of the day. You might have some traps here and there, but there'll be plenty of opportunity to both the downside and the upside regardless, So, but just understand what's occurring. Understand that, you're going to be having a lot of just, cat and mouse games along the way in Monday session and throughout the week. Obviously after the election, well, it's going to be another